And when you have solve, it's all calculator right now. It's all calculator. So here we go again. We're just going to put this into our calculator. So all you do is this. Let's move that out of the way. You go to menu, algebra, numerical solve, very first one. Now you just type in the equation. 5.5 plus 6x equals, the equals to the left is 7, equals negative 7.3x minus 3.6. Now, we don't have to do the other part. Well, we do have to put this in here, comma, left of O, x. We don't have to do the other part because if it starts as a decimal, it ends as a decimal. Hit enter. But here's the thing. Here's the whole thing about that. On your calculator, you get negative 0.684211. It says enter your answer rounded to the nearest tenths. Here's what's in the tenths position. The 0.6, first place past the decimal. You look back. Are we going to round up or leave it the same? Round up. So the answer you would put in would be negative 0.7. That's all you're doing. That's all you're doing. Okay. Let's look at number 2. Let's put it in. Oops. Here we go. Menu, algebra, numerical solve. First one. And this one is negative. Make sure you put it in correct. 9.5x minus 8 equals negative 6 minus 2x, comma, x. That's it. Now hit enter. Oh, we get negative 0.266667. But what is the answer we would put in? What's the answer we would put in? Yeah, you look at that 2. It's in the tenths position. And then you look back one, it's a 6. So you can round it up. So the answer to number 2 would be negative 0.3. That's it. Try number 3. See if you can get number 3. This will be in the next assignment you get. Put it in your calculator. Don't forget to follow it with comma x. All right. What'd you get for the answer for number 3? Negative what? Negative 1.2. That's it. Hope that cleared up some questions because that's all we're doing. All right. Here's another problem we're still having. Number 4, what is the rate of change? What's another name for rate of change? Slope. It's all you're doing. So what's the slope for number 4? Yeah, we're struggling here. What about for number 5? What's the slope? Negative 2, right there. Here's the question, though. What would be the y-intercept here? 0, 0. Y-intercept's a point on the graph. All right, turn it over. What's the rate of change here? 2. Slope is 2. Now, let me ask you this. What if I gave you x equals 3? What's the slope? Uh-huh. What is it? Undefined. The slope is undefined rate of change. What about this one? Y equals 6. What's the slope there?
0.
Yeah, slope 0. Y equals a number, it's always 0. Here we go. Still struggling with these. Number 7. Use the equation to answer the questions below. Y equals negative 5/4 x minus 5. What is the y-intercept? What is it? 0 what? No. Negative 5. 0, negative 5. What is the slope?
Negative 5/4.
Yep, some of y'all got this down. That's good for y'all because you're getting y'all will be good on the next test. Okay, y equals negative 4. What's the y-intercept here? No.
0, negative 4.
Yeah, 0, negative 4. Remember, y equals a number. We can write it as y equals 0x minus 4. So what's the slope?
0.
0. Y equals a number. Slope's always 0. Look at this one. Let me give you another example. Let's go x equals 7. Write it down so you'll have it. What is the y-intercept here?
7.
No.
0.
No. What is the y-intercept?
7.
Doesn't exist. X equals a number. The y-intercept will always be doesn't exist. That's a button down there at the bottom. Some of y'all still don't know there's a button down there that tells me how much you're doing the work. What is the slope? What's the slope? Undefined. You got to know these two special cases. Y equals a number and x equals a number. All right, last one. Number 9. See if you can get number 9. Okay. What was the y-intercept for number 9?
0, 3.
0, 3. What is the slope? 5/4. In that assignment I'm giving you, those are the 3 things that you're covering.